Hey, Team Brickbridge here, and today I am here to give you a tip on how to integrate Wrike tasks into Workspace. As you can see, we have a Gantt chart, and we also have details about every individual item underneath. The first step in our process was to make a Zapier integration with both Wrike and Google Sheets. The format is, when a new task is detected by Wrike by Zapier, it will automatically grab the data from the task and place it into new rows in a Google Sheet. On this Google Sheet, you can see from left to right the task ID and other information such as start date and current date, which will automatically be put into a Gantt chart that you can see down here. The first step to getting the Gantt chart into your micro app is to publish the Gantt chart itself. While publishing the Gantt chart, you want to make sure that it is set to an image instead of an interactable. The image will automatically be updated whenever a change is made to the Gantt chart. As you can see here is our data endpoint. You can see how we have started an API from Wrike and made the tables, making the ID the primary key. While making this, we were not getting our data into our tables, so we had to synchronize our app here. Here's where you want to put the image that you got earlier into a static image, and below you can see our table where we put our data that we retrieved from our API. Now, as we take a look at our notification, you will see that it's fairly simple, as all we need it to do is go to the action page. Thank you for watching. This has been Team Brickbridge. Please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.